Here's a certified 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene. This C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, voice activation, power tilting steering column, memory steering wheel settings, and LED low and high beam headlights. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.